Hi, welcome back to Sensate Technologies. Did you know you can rename your computer Windows 10 and 11 and Server Edition using PowerShell? Most people go to Properties and click on Rename this computer, but there's another way you can do it. You can simply right-click on PowerShell Admin and type the following: rename-computer space dash new name, and then in parentheses just the new computer. I'm going to call this one virtual, and hit enter. Restart the computer by typing restart dash computer and hit enter. This will reboot the machine. Once the computer has been rebooted, you can simply go back into File Explorer, Properties, and you'll see that it is now changed to virtual. I hope this helps, and have a good day.